Hi all, welcome to An Oil a Day Essentials with Carmen. I'm really glad to have you here, and we're going to be talking about leaving the chemical cleaners behind and creating natural chemical-free cleaners, non-toxic. We can't control what's outside our home as far as what people are using in stores or in other enclosed environments, but we can control what happens here. If we're using heavy chemical-based products to do the cleaning, yeah, great, they do a good job, but our skin, our hands, our lungs are all immersed in the fumes that those chemicals produce, let alone being absorbed into our bodies. And then it can continue to last and last. Now, people are sometimes afraid to use something that's natural because, oh, it won't clean as well or it won't last as long. You know what? My health is worth it. I want to make sure that I am not compromising my immune system where it has to work on overcoming chemicals that I have used to do some cleaning. I want to be able to have my complete immune system work on shielding me from germs that are in my environment and in the outside environment. I am using things that are organic, so it does have a shelf life. So again, I'm not using chemical cleaners that have preservatives in them. I'm using something that's natural, something that as organic it will eventually break down. Luckily with cleaners, they're good for 6 months, 3 to 6 months. But if you're using them, it won't last that long because we're going to make it in small batches. One of my very favorite is a soft scrub, and it's so easy. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a container to put your soft scrub in. You want to make sure it has a good sealable lid. Really easy, very inexpensive, and it's reusable, so you're going to pay once for your container. Now, I like to keep a container in each bathroom and one under my kitchen sink, so it's handy. If things aren't handy, then I tend not to go grab it. Well, just to talk about what the ingredients you're going to need, this is how simple. We've got a container. You're going to need baking soda. This is Castile soap. It's unscented. White vinegar and water and lemon essential oil right there. So ready? Here we go. We're going to take 3/4 cup of baking soda. Now, understand when I'm making this at home, I don't have them separate. But for this time right here, I will separate them. And to that baking soda, I'm adding 1/4 cup of Castile soap. Now you want to mix this around. As you do this, you're going to be able to adjust the recipe to how you like it. Now, the next, it's 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add it gently because vinegar and baking soda fizz. And I'm going to mix that. Gives a little bit more liquid. And then 1 tablespoon of water. Oh, see that fizz up? And to this, I'm going to add between 5 and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon is a fantastic cleaner. Now the oil is distilled from the rinds of the lemons, so there's no citric acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this batch, I'll just put 7 drops. It has amazing cleaning properties, and it helps break down spots that you might have on your counter. I use water and lemon to clean my stainless steel. I can even use it to clean my granite because there's no citric acid, so it's not going to be breaking down the stone or the stainless steel. So we're going to mix that up. You can see the consistency. And as you let it set, it will thicken up. If by chance it's been a while since you've opened up the container, or you're taking a little bit longer to use it up and it gets hard, that's not a problem. Put a little water in the jar and use your scrubber, and you just go in and then still scrub around the sink. So you can use every bit. I'm going to put a lid on. I'm going to attach the scrubber to go with it, and now anybody can go into the bathroom, pick up the soft scrub, clean the sinks, clean the tub, and we're all set. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
A lemon for my
Keep that video rolling. Text box that'll explain. As well, that text box will have, what's it called?
Description.
Oh.
It's all good.
Oh, it's still rolling.
Oh. Roll them. The only thing this doesn't come with is somebody who will actually be doing it regularly. Oh wait, that's me. We're in trouble. But back to this.